Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of: is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. In this new life, you are in control. You can make as much money as you want, without being a slave to your laptop. All you need is just 1 to 2 minutes and that's it. In this new life, you don't have a boss who will tell you what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. You can finally give that F-enger to your boss. And be your own boss. In this new life, your family is proud of you for providing them with the life they deserve. All of that starts with the click of a button. Disclaimer: Warrior Plus is used to help manage the sale of products on this site. While Warrior Plus helps facilitate the sale, all payments are made directly to the product vendor and not Warrior Plus. Thus, all product questions, support inquiries, and / or refund requests must be sent to the vendor. Warrior Plus's role should not be construed as an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement or opinion used in the marketing of these products. This website in no way is affiliated with Facebook or Google entities. Once you leave Facebook, the responsibility no longer is on their side. We make every attempt to clearly state and show all proof. We do not sell your email or any information. Can spam compliant. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us here. All trademarks and logos are the property of their respective owners. This site and the products and services offered on this site are not associated, affiliated, endorsed, or sponsored by any business listed on this page, nor have they been reviewed, tested, or certified by any other company listed on this page. The results shown are not typical, and results will vary based on your market, your efforts, competition, and many other factors outside of our control. ClonelyAI will host everything in ultra-fast SSD hosting that is secured with next-level SSL for free. Instant AI-powered website reconstructor. Rebuild any live website into your own editable, monetized version, in seconds. Worth $2,497. Unlimited one-click cloning and launches. Deploy as many pages, funnels, lead magnets, or local client sites as you want, no limits, no paywalls. Worth $997/year. Built-in hosting with SSL, speed optimization and backup. No third-party hosting, no tech setup, we cover everything for you, for life. Worth $588/year. Visual drag and drop editor, no code required. Edit anything visually, headlines, images, opt-ins, forms, layouts, instantly. Worth $597. Commercial license with full resell/client use rights. Use Clonely to build sites for clients, flip pages, or generate passive income offers, all 100% yours to keep. Worth $1,997. Day risk-free guarantee. Try it. Use it. Launch with it. If you're not blown away, we'll refund you with no hassle. Peace of mind, priceless. Total value of everything you get today: $42,470 plus. The regular price is $47/month. Grab it all now for a one-time price, $11.95. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, That link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.